Alright.
Free for all.
If it is, you're gonna kick our asses. I was really fucking tired, so.
I suck, bro.
Well, I guess we're all on the same level then. Yeah. I don't believe that was semi-auto handle.
Free auto. Oh, not free auto. Free for all game mode.
Alright, you guys are free for it. You guys are free for it.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn, a God praise you all.
Alright, you guys, game on, game on.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
You got my leg.
You got my leg. Alright, 20 second bleed up, we go separate ways.
Yep.
I'll go that way.
I'll go down.
Shush. Since we're both dead, and he's not here. You might as well just both go. Here.
life again? You guys want to go a second round?
Yeah.
Second round, guys, second round. Alright, I'll let you guys give each other some time to reload.
Yeah,
You guys need some
good
BBs?
stuff.
You guys need some BBs? They're all set, they're all set.
I'm gonna mad jump by the end of the round anyway.
Alright, alright.
Oh.
You guys will still down the final? Alrighty. I'm gonna hit the button.
Alright, he's gonna hit the button,
Alright.
guys.
It's gonna be the Purge soundtrack. Just remember.
Alright, Billy, you want quick draw once the siren?
Oh God.
Alright.
Yep.
We're gonna quick draw once the siren starts.
Good. You guys have some time until that siren goes
Shoot
off.
or no?
Huh?
So we gotta
Shoot or no?
stand
Holster.
off.
Yes, we shoot.
We gotta
I don't have a holster.
Just put it in your pocket or something, or your vest. I don't know.
All weapons are restricted. Government officials of Grade 10
Huh?
have been granted
If you guys just wanna mess around, I'm cool with whatever.
commencing at the siren. Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police,
Somebody might
fire,
make a contract
and
a little bit better.
medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge
Hey, hey, if you quick draw too soon, if you disqualification.
may God be with you all.
Oh, type no currency. Oh yeah.
Oh, great job.
Alright, we can spread that out. We'll spread that out.
Alright, he's just gonna follow you. I'll count down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game on, let's go.
Did I get you? You didn't hit me.
I feel like you might have hit me, so I'll just fall here.
I think I'm. Wait, am I out?
Huh?
Oh boy. I'm out.
You're out of ammo?
Yeah.
Like, no more mats?
Let me check.
You don't have a spare?
Yeah, I brought the spare.
Then use the spare.
I'm out on the spare.
Oh, you're out of the spare too?
Yeah.
Here, take my gun. Still got a good 20 shots in it.
Alright.
Here, I'll hold on to the 5.7.
Go to the ref room. He has BBs.
Huh?
Go to the ref room. He has BBs. No, I'm just gonna.
No, we're gonna put the other mic there.
No.
I don't need these. Here, we'll separate, guys.
Alright. see you. Oh wait, I got you? Oh. I was not expecting that.
All right, you guys, looks like that is time. That is game. Great job, guys. Great job. Hopefully you guys had some fun. Thank you guys for coming out and sticking around.
Oh man.
I know it's just a small group, but hopefully you guys had a good time. Alright guys, just make your way to the dead box area and I will meet you there.
Jonah, where's the funny switch?
Fun switch here. Here, flip that up.
Yeah, good game.
I'm gonna fire into that hole. No, that, yeah,
I'm just gonna max jump.
yeah, go
the rest
for
of
it.
This is for all the nades.
What's that one? Sweet. That was fun. You guys have fun? Oh my god, that was a really fun way to close it tonight.
Jonah, that pistol duel. Woo.
That was fun too. Yeah, that was entertaining. I ran dead out of ammo, so I was running around trying to like melee people.
This is so far probably the least special players that I've done.
Yeah, that is
I think the
interesting.
second before this, the second was like 6 players.